Ito na po yung part 4. Mamaya, part 5, paggawa ng sauce. Gagawin natin sweet, syempre.
Good morning! How are you today? Why, yeah. Oh, what kind of little hair? Yeah? Nikki, you hear what? Wait. 1 second. Your hair, please. Welcome. Whoa, have you seen myself? What are you doing, Marty? Let's go to look at the mirror.
Ang dami. Last one na. Ayan, ipapack in na natin. Wait lang stop. Ito na po, lagay na natin dito. Di naman natin lulutuin eh. Siyempre, apple. Di lulutuin. Yan. Ewan ko kung matatapon.
This is your hair present.
Alam mo na kung wala pa yan 5 minutes. Ilipat. Ganyan na po. Gagawa po tayo ng lagay muna natin sa fridge. Yan. Nilagay ko na sa fridge. At gagawa naman tayo ng liquid. Ano? Paano tayo makakagawa? Comment for part 5.